Following her live interview on Fast Talk with Boy Abunda, Kris Aquino took to Instagram to thank those who have been sending her thoughts and prayers for her health journey. Sharing a video compilation from her treatments, Kris started by thanking Boy Abunda and GMA Network for her exclusive birthday interview. Boy at GMA Network, thank you for allowing me to spend my birthday with you and the Philippines. My BP was going haywire before I went live. That's why I said, Ding Dong Avanzado instead of Dantes. I'm sorry at Dong Dantes, she said. Kris then wrote a message for her sons, Josh and Bimby, her sisters, and her family and friends. Just in case this is the last birthday I get to celebrate here on earth, thank you Kuya and Bim for the most precious privilege of being chosen to be your mom. Thank you to my sisters for their love and generosity. Thank you to my small but very close circle of cousins and friends who have shared my life and their lives with me. Thank you to all of you for making all my childhood dreams come true, she said. Kris once again asked for prayers, reiterating that she wants to continue living. Pa-birthday nyo na please. I have a few loved ones and dear friends battling very difficult illnesses as well. Please pray for them, too, she said. I still want to live. I know the odds are against me, dahil ang puso hindi pwedeng diktahan, pero sana sa tulong ng dasal nyo mabigyan pa ako ng konting extension. You have my love and eternal gratitude. Happy Valentine's Day. Kris has been in the United States since 2022 to seek medical treatment for multiple autoimmune conditions, including possibly lupus. Asked to explain why she has seen little progress in her health despite the doctors and medications available in the US. She said there are so many limitations on the medications she is allowed to take due to her allergies. Despite this, Kris vowed that she would not give up despite her condition and would continue to fight for the sake of her children.